Good afternoon once again. Boys and girls of 4NC, this is Mr. C, also known as Big C. Okay, today I am here to talk to you about multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, geez, my microphone went out there a little bit. Okay, so what do I mean by multiplying and dividing by powers of 10? Well, anytime you multiply a number by 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 or 100,000 or a million, you're basically multiplying that number by powers of 10. Of course, you could also be dividing any number by powers of 10 as well. 10, 100, 1,000. There we go. 10,000, 100,000, what have you. Okay, it's basically multiplying or dividing any number by another number that has 1 and then a bunch of zeros. There's some tricks that you could do here, and I'm going to sort of show you these shortcuts to make life a little bit easy, okay? So let's take, what if we multiplied the number 50, and we multiply that by 100,000, okay? So there's a really, really easy sort of trick to this. All you got to do when you multiply numbers by powers of 10, you just count the total amount of zeros. Wait a minute. What? Is it really that easy? Yeah. Just count the total amount of zeros that you see. For instance, here's 1 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number is going to be, obviously it starts with the 5, and it's going to have 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget your commas. 1, 2, 3, cha. 1, 2, 3, cha. 50 times 100,000 is 5 million. It's that easy. You just count your zeros. Okay? Now, let's do the opposite of that. Okay, let's say that we have the number 5,600 and we are dividing it by 10. All right, this is where you want to cancel zeros, but here's the trick. You can go ahead and erase 1 0 from here, from this number, as long as you have 1 0 to erase from here. Okay, so we can erase 1 0 from here, but we also have to erase 1 0 from this number. So we have, what do we have left? We have 560 left. Now, can we erase more zeros? Unfortunately, no, because we have no more zeros to erase from this number. Okay, there's one more we could erase from here, but we have to make sure that there's another one that we can erase from here as well. Okay, so 5,600 divided by 10, what are you left with? 560. Okay. Let's try another one. What if we had 480 divided by 10? Okay, well, we cancel a 0 here. We can cancel a 0 here. 48 divided by 10 is 48. Let's try one more example with multiplication. What if I wanted to multiply 480 times 1 million? Well, since we're multiplying, all we have to do is count our zeros. Are you ready? Well, first of all, it's going to start with 48. Let's count our zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 48 with 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3, cha. 1, 2, 3, cha. That number is 480 million. Okay, and there's another skill, too, when you're dividing by powers of 10 that's going to give your answer. Your answer is going to be a decimal. Now, we're not going to talk about that just yet. I want you to practice the worksheets that I've provided with this skill and see how you do with it, okay? But we're not going to get into decimals just yet, all right? So, again, when you multiply by powers of 10, you count the zeros, you count the total amount of zeros you see, and make sure that amount of zeros is in your answer, followed by, of course, the number you're multiplying by. When you divide by powers of 10, you can go ahead and erase a 0 as long as you erase a 0 from each number. Okay, and so try that little trick. We'll take a look at how that works and why that works in class, okay? So hopefully that might help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.